It's nice. What's up, guys? It's Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install some LED strips for the doors. Let's do it. All right. I think we have a mad dog out there. Okay guys, so today we're gonna test these LED strips that goes on the door. It's like a warning light for the doors. But let's open it first and let's see what it has inside. So it has the instructions, some trim tool, tape, and 2 strips. Okay, right here. Let me see how it looks. Okay, so it's long. Okay, what is the size? Let me see if they show the size right in the back. No, it doesn't say. Well, I got this from Amazon, but I don't know the size, so I think there's only one size for this one. But if I get the size, I'm gonna put it on top of the video. All right, so let's see how can we install this, because on the Corolla we don't have a light here. Other cars, they have a light here, so you can connect the light directly to the light here, the strip. You can connect it to the light, but in this Corolla we don't have that, so I have to use one of those. Okay, the correct way to do it is to connect it, tuck the cable under the headliner, and then here, run it here, maybe tie cable tied here, and then put it like that. Okay, but for now it's just a test. Okay, so I'm just going to put the strip and run a wire directly to that light. Okay, so let's see if that works, and let's see how bright they are. Okay, so let's do that next. So I have this already on the door. I couldn't put it here because this is on the way, so it's gonna hit this metal. Okay, so that's why I didn't put it here. So I think in here is better, and then this goes all the way there till here. So you wanna keep this, you have to put like a tape. You have to tape it and hide this, maybe under there or here, like there. And then you will need extra wire because it's not gonna reach all the way over. So I'm gonna get some extra wire to test it with the dome light. Okay, we're gonna use this, okay? One is positive, one is negative, okay? So how do we know which one it is? If it doesn't work, it means it's in the wrong connection. Okay, so let's test it with that. Okay, I'm gonna put the cables in these two metal, but I think this is temporarily. I think the other dome light on the back is easier, but right now I'm using this just for test, just for a test. It's not forever. I'm gonna change it to the rear dome light. So for now, it's just for a test. So, because I'm gonna see some comments, that's random. Okay, it's just for test. Okay, to see how it looks. If it looks nice, I'm gonna do it the right way. If it's okay, I might just remove it. Okay, so this is just for testing. But remember, it's temporarily. I might move it to the dome light on the back because that one, it looks easier to do, but this one is just for a test. Okay, so I got it right there, but okay, the connection is there, the cable goes all the way here till here, but remember, this is a test. If you want to do it the correct way, you have to hide the cable and see if it works first. Okay, so it's blinking. Okay, so let's put it on the garage and let's see how bright they are and if this is correct, because it blinks. You can see it there, it's blinking. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, the moment of truth. Remember, the cable is gonna be hanging over there. It's temporarily, but let's see if it works and how it looks. So let me show you this. Wow, I don't know if you can see it. Let me do it again. Okay, let me unlock it. Wow, I like it. It's pretty cool. Let me do it again. I like this. Alright, again. Nice. So let's open this. Wow. It looks cool. It looks nice. I like it. Then the bottom, you can see it there. It's pretty bright. So I have to find a way to put the cables and connect it to the rear dome light, because in this one it's very hard. But you can see how it looks. You can decide if you want to connect it to your car, but the thing, I cannot lock it. It won't let me. My car won't let me lock with the door open. How can I? It has a, oh, right here. Oh, let me get the tripod so you can see it. Let me open the door. This. Let me see if you can see it there. Okay, I can push this one, then lock. Ah, it's nice. I don't know if it's too loud to have it at night, but yeah, it looks cool. Wow. Okay, let me turn off the light and let's see how bright it is. Okay, let me turn off the light. Really bright, very bright. Okay guys, those are the LED strips for the doors. They look great. I like them, but I still have to figure it out how to put the wire, how to hide them, because I have to get thinner wire, because the one I have right now is very thick, so I have to get thinner wire to hide it better. Okay, but the brightness is nice, but let me know what you guys think. If it's too bright or too much, put it in the comments. Okay, the link for this product is gonna be on the description down below. All right, if you like the video, please like the video. That helps a lot for more people to see the video. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you in the next video.